Alright, today we are working on a 2002 Ford Focus CX3. We're going to be replacing the transmission mount. And basically this would have a stock air filter. I do have the stock filter right here. Let me zoom out of that. It's just going to sit up. The way how you're going to do it, you're going to lift and pull it up. It's just going to have these three bottom tabs that are in the grommets. And then you're going to have a 8mm cable tie. So you would have that, and you can either use an 8mm or a flathead, and that would just pop right up. And then you would have your mass airflow sensor too. That's right there. It's right here on this one, so we're not going to take that off. But basically, you just kind of push down on the clip and then pull away. So first thing, I'm going to take off the filter. Pull that aside, and then before you start taking off the mount, make sure you have a jack under the car to support the motor. So right here between where the rear of the torque strap mount, I'm lifting up on this solid piece on the tranny, so kind of right near the transmission pan. So that's kind of one of the strongest points. If not, you can lift it right here between the transmission and the motor. So you can lift it at those mounting points, but I'm just lifting it right here. Alright, so we have four 15mm bolts, and then this center one that actually bolts to the transmission, that is going to be a 21mm. I'm going to go ahead and loosen these four first, and I'm going to loosen this guy too as well. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and lift this guy right up. If it is stuck on there, get a flathead and lift it right up. Okay, so as you lower this, well, you can let go right now. So as you take off the transmission mount, basically the car the motor will shift forward. So make sure you do have something to hold the motor in place, because if not, this will fall down. So when you want to push it forward, I'm kind of gonna push it from right here. Try to get some assistance. It is doable by yourself, but you need to be a little bit stronger on that end. If not, you're gonna have a pretty difficult time. So again, push forward. And as you push forward, you can center this guy. A little bit more. Right there. Alright, perfect. So that's how you'll do that. Again, just lift up from right here. You can push right here, and that'll help out. And get a big friend that could help you out with that. So again, this will be a little bit difficult if it is by yourself, and then try not to lower it. If you do lower the car, it will fall down more and kind of like fall back. So try to have it lifted at its highest point, so it kind of, at least it's up there enough to sit in place. So now we'll go ahead and reverse the order. Now we'll put on our air filter or air filter box. So we'll either put those on too. And that's how you replace the mount on a 2002 Ford Focus. If this helped you out, comment below, hit the thumbs up, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.